In the quiet moments when the world is asleep, a question often surfaces in our minds. Why me? Why do I have to go through this? It's a heavy question, one that can echo in the chambers of our heart, making us feel isolated and lost in our own narrative of pain. We look around and it seems like everyone else has it figured out, that their paths are smooth and clear, while ours is fraught with obstacles. But what if we could gently shift our perspective? What if we began to see these trials not as a punishment, but as a profound form of preparation? Consider the strongest trees. They don't grow in sheltered valleys, but on windswept ridges where they must fight for every inch of ground. The constant push of the wind forces their roots to grow deeper, their trunks to become stronger. Our struggles serve the same purpose. Every challenge you face is building emotional muscle. Each disappointment, every setback, is like a repetition in the gym of life, strengthening your capacity for resilience. It's in the moments we feel we might break that we discover an inner fortitude we never knew we possessed. This is not about becoming hardened. It's about becoming whole. Struggle makes you resilient, yes, but it also carves out space in your heart for deeper human connection. It teaches patience, not just with circumstances, but with yourself. It cultivates empathy, allowing you to see the silent battles others are fighting. And it builds a quiet, unshakable faith, not necessarily in a specific outcome, but in your own ability to endure and to grow. Without struggle, strength would never exist. It is the resistance that forges it. Think of the person you are today versus the person you were 5 years ago. The wisdom, the compassion, the quiet confidence you now hold, much of it was likely earned in the crucible of difficulty. These are the gifts of your journey, treasures that could never be acquired on an easier path. So trust the process. Your pain has a purpose. You are not being broken. You are being built. You're being shaped for something greater than this moment. Every tear has watered the soil of your soul, preparing you to blossom in ways you can't yet imagine.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.